Another winter's day in northern Ontario in Canada. Couple ice fishermen fishing. Looks like about 24 inches of ice. Any luck, ladies?
Not a bite.
Where's Mike?
Mike's gone down to the point. See if there's any fish over there.
Looks pretty cold. Very dark hole. Oh, there's Mike. He's back. Mike. Any fish down at the point?
Nothing over there.
How far did you go?
Way down to the point.
Did you see Neil?
No, I think he went and checked out a spot at the other island.
Oh, there's Neil.
Oh, Neil. Oh, there you are. Anything out by the island?
No fish by the islands. Well, actually, I saw one big one, but
Whereabouts?
not very many. Just down there.
Okay, well maybe we'll switch over there. See if we can catch some fish over there.
I think so. Can't get nothing here.